Hi guys, I'm going to make something fun today. How about a Caesar wrap? I got a comment about my Caesar salad and I was like, oh, let me put a little twist in it, okay? So the first thing I want to do, because I don't think I did a great job, or I didn't do it at all on my video for my Caesar salad because the rest of it took so long, was what do you do with garlic? Well, so you cut the ends off, you peel them, and fresh garlic is so much better than buying like the jarred stuff or whatever. And it's really simple. So you're just going to take your knife, flat side, right? Just give it a good little whoop. I'm doing this very carefully because I don't want to make garlic fly all over the house. Then just use the heel and the hand. And this is a lot of garlic. Yeah, because I'm making Caesar dressing, right? Alright, then all I need to do, first you gotta just try and look for the big pieces that you really need to chop up. And I keep the toe, or the end of the knife, in contact. Just raise the knife enough. I just need to start. And you'll find really quickly, and I can do this a lot faster, but that's not the goal. I'm not trying to impress you, I'm trying to show you how you do it. And just keep changing your direction. Look for those big, huge pieces. Even though we like garlic, and sure, and the part that most people forget, once we get to this point, is there's so much garlic stuck on the blade and it might be big. So I'm going to take my finger, rub that off, and now we've got it spread out a lot better. And I'm going to kind of take it into sections. And see how easy this is? And now the good thing is I don't have to worry about chopping my fingers off because I'm never going to get my fingers anywhere near. Alright, so I know that seemed like a lot of work, but if you get used to it and you go about this fast, you can get that done pretty darn quick. Alright, so now what do I have to do? Get my knife clean. Garlic is so sticky. So, what do I want to do? Get all this nice garlic. Oh yeah. Making my nose run. Rinse. Oh, brutal. Okay, so I got all this garlic. Now what I gotta do is I get some olive oil in here. And I'm gonna need like quarter cup because that's kind of the main ingredient, right? And what's the other ingredient that goes in here? Red wine okay? But don't go crazy with it. I'm going to show you why in a second. So about 2 tablespoons. I'm using some Worcestershire sauce. Just want about a splash of rooney color and taste. Black pepper. Lots of black pepper, right? So, why was I hesitant about going crazy with the red wine vinegars? Because I've got some fresh lemon juice. You've got to use fresh lemon juice. So I'm going to put about half this in. This is a whole lemon that I squozed. So I put about 2 tablespoons in there. And I need about 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard because this is the emulsifier, so it's going to hold it all together. 1, 2, yeah, whatever. And the secret ingredient, anchovy paste. If you don't like it, I'm really sorry. You really need kind of that whole thing. So I like it. So I want to get about, it's about a tablespoon. And now we need to see how this is going to look. Pepper everywhere. Keep feeling it all over the place. And that Dijon mustard and the anchovy paste really are the thickeners. So you don't want to see oil floating on top. And this is perfect. Oh, that's a lot of garlic, right? But I'm going to show you why. Now, I want this to sit. You do always want to do it kind of fresh, but I want it to sit just a minute to get those flavors together. I'm going to put the rest of it together in just a minute. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so the big surprise is what I'm going to put in the Caesar salad. So first of all, got me a piece of really good like applewood smoked bacon that I always use. Cut it in little teeny strips. And I've got it in the pan, heated up. And this is really funny, but I'm going to use some tenderloin, leftover filet mignon from dinner. And the best way to heat it up is in that bacon fat. So what we're going to do, and you can use butter if you have to, but I don't really think oil's the way to go. So what I'm doing, I want to make sure this thing's sizzling. It already started to render it. Yeah, there it goes. Keeps the bacon crispy. Do I hear it? Watch, pot never boils, right? Okay, now this is room temperature, so I just want to put a little temp on it. I don't want to overcook it. This was also the end, which nobody wants to eat anyways, right? Eat towards the center. Alright, here we go. Got a nice sizzle going there. The bacon's also a good way to stretch it. So you're not filling everyone up on filet. That's why I also want to make sure you got a big enough Caesar salad to scare them. So I flip these, make sure they're all bacony. Smells really good. Alright, so let's get this going. Nice and toasty, everything. Make my plate look pretty. On a tortilla shell, big tortilla shell, because I'm hungry. Okay, so I got this. Let's go finish it up. Okay, so now I've got my tortilla shell sitting here. Let's make this little bit of salad. So I got some romaine. That's all I need. And the big mistake people make is they put the cheese in the dressing. Cheese goes with the lead, especially if you're going to have leftover dressing. So I just want to get some of this Parmesan Reggiano cheese in there. Then I'm going to take a little more dressing here. I want to kill it, or it'll kill me. Just want to get everything kind of wet. Not coat, not like drowning. Caesar dressing is not meant to be dripping off the fork. So you see how we got everything together? Let's get my salad on, my lettuce on here. Oh, heaven. Do. Let's get this wrapped up. Bring the edges. Start your wrap. And you can stick a toothpick in that and call it a meal any day. So this is a beautiful, and I can feel the warmth coming out of that steak and bacon. This thing's just awesome. I'm going to cut it open so you can see it. Yeah, beautiful, lots of steak, lots of goodness. I got to eat this thing, guys. Anyway, thank you very much. I hope this is something you try. I hope you enjoy it. I'm really drooling. And I got other recipes I'm going to bring out. Like I said, I've gotten some good ideas. I'm going to go out of my comfort zone and make some meals that I think everyone will really like. And I will see you back with another great video. Thank you. Have a great day.